For those looking to build a gaming PC that stands out from the crowd, the Apevia Prism Elite in pink offers a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. This cube-style mid-tower case is designed to showcase your components with its dual tempered glass panels, providing a clear view of your gaming setup. The case comes pre-installed with 7 120mm PWM ARGB fans, ensuring excellent airflow and vibrant lighting effects right out of the box. These fans feature a 3-pin ARGB connector for syncing with compatible motherboards, allowing for customized lighting schemes. With 366 RGB lighting modes accessible via a button on the top of the case, users have plenty of options to personalize their build. The fans also include 4-pin PWM connectors, enabling the motherboard to control fan speeds for optimal cooling performance. Cable management is a breeze with ample space on the backside of the case, allowing for clean and organized builds. The matching paint colors on both the exterior and interior of the case, as well as the fans, contribute to a cohesive and visually appealing design. A ventilated metal side panel further enhances air circulation, keeping components cool during intense gaming sessions. The Apevia Prism Elite offers plenty of room for high-end components, supporting graphics cards up to 400mm in length and CPU coolers up to 165mm in height. The top panel features 2x USB 3.0 ports, 2x USB 2.0 ports, and HD audio jack for convenient connectivity. For water cooling enthusiasts, the case supports 120mm radiators on the rear panel and 240mm, 280mm, or 360mm radiators on the bottom and top panels. The case includes screw-in PCIe covers, making GPU installation hassle-free. It also provides room for up to 2 by 3.5-inch hard drives, or 1 by 3.5 hard drive and 1 by 2.5 hard drive, offering sufficient storage options. 2 large magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom panels help to minimize dust accumulation, and they are easily removable for cleaning. Overall, the Apevia Prism Elite is a well-designed and feature-rich case that combines aesthetics and functionality. Its unique cube design, vibrant ARGB lighting, and ample cooling options make it an excellent choice for gamers looking to build a visually stunning and high-performance PC. The pink color option adds a touch of personality and flair, making it a standout choice for those who want their PC to reflect their individual style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.